C in 100 seconds. Stacks. A stack is last in, first out. We define max as 10. That is the capacity. The stack uses a fixed array, so we need a size limit. Watch the struct on line 5. C2 fields. Items is the array that holds the data, and top tracks where the next push or pop happens. -1 means empty. C is empty on line 14. It checks if top is -1. And is full on line 18 checks if top reached max -1. These guard against overflow and underflow. Watch push on line 22. See line 27. ++s arrow top increments top first, then stores the value at that position. One line does both the move and the store. Now pop on line 30. See line 35. S arrow top ---- returns the value at the current top, then decrements. The opposite of push. Read first, then move. Watch peak on line 38. Same as pop, but without the --. It reads the top value without removing it. The stack stays unchanged. See main on line 51. We declare a stack on the stack itself. Init sets top to -1. Then 3 pushes, 10, 20, 30. Watch the test calls. Peak returns 30 without removing it. 2 pops take 30, then 20 off. After popping the last item is empty, returns 1. See the output. Stack has 10, 20, 30 with top at 2. Peak is 30. Pop removes 30, then 20, leaving just 10. One more pop and the stack is empty. Next up, queues.